friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to request someone to join a Teams meeting. Now, there's actually two approaches that you can do. And I'm going to show you the basic one that works if that person was invited to the meeting. And the other one is if this person didn't get an invite, but you want them to join the meeting all of a sudden, right? So within the Teams, you want to click at the top where it says people. It's going to expand the sidebar for participants. And here you will see all the people who were invited, and those will be mandatory or required and who are optional. And so you would be able to see beside any one of those people who got the invite that you can click request to join. In this case, there's no one except myself, and so it's not showing. But you can just easily go ahead and click on the request to join beside your name right here, and it will start to ring them into the meeting. Now, alternatively, if this person didn't get an invite, what you can do under the same section here for people, you'll be able to just search for their name. So you'll start typing their name, Paul or John or whatever you want to add. And so you'll find them and then you will just click them in, right? So you'll be able to add them in, right? So you can just say request to join like that as well. And you will add them into the meeting. It's going to start call them as well. Now, if this person is not your organization, but you want them to join, just simply click share invite and you can copy the meeting link and share it with them, or you can just basically share via email. So you can either copy the same link and put it in an email or just choose the option to share via email, whichever one. And so you send the email to the person and they will join. You can give them a heads up, whether by SMS or whatever it is, text, social media, whatever. Just give them an update or contact them somehow, give them a call and say hey, they can join or whatever, right? So that's how you can easily request people to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams.